For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. The World Council of Churches expressed its displeasure against Turkey for converting ancient Christian cathedral into a mosque. The World Council of Churches dismayed over Turkey's decision converting Hagia Sophia Museum in Istanbul into a mosque. The council has written to Turkey President Recep Tayyip Erdogan expressing its grief. The Geneva-based group said Hagia Sophia has been a place of openness and inspiration for people from all nations. Erdogan has converted Hagia Sophia Museum into a mosque after a High Court annulled the 1934 government decision. Erdogan had declared it open for Muslims to offer prayers on Friday. Muslims started offering prayers in the building soon after the government's decision. Hagia Sophia was built 1,500 years ago as an Orthodox Christian cathedral. The Ottoman Empire had converted the cathedral into a mosque in 1453 after capturing Constantinople, which is now called as Istanbul. The secular government in Turkey had decided to turn the building into a museum in 1934. Millions of tourists from across the world visit the landmark building in Istanbul annually. Ion Sauka, General Secretary of the World Council of Churches, urged Erdogan to reconsider his decision. Sauka said Erdogan should reconsider his decision to promote mutual understanding, communal harmony, and avoid animosities and divisions. Orthodox Christians across the world are dismayed over Erdogan's decision. Several countries have criticized Erdogan for converting the ancient monument into a mosque. Hagia Sophia was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Erdogan, a devout Muslim, had been using Hagia Sophia issue to cement his position in his Islamic-oriented party. Erdogan had vowed to convert the building into a mosque despite international criticism. French Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian had condemned Turkey's decision on Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia is the symbol of religious freedom, tolerance and diversity. The monument is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and must be preserved. It is an architectural and historic jewel. Hagia Sophia must continue to represent the religious diversity, pluralism and tolerance. The US State Department has also condemned Turkey President Erdogan's decision. The United Nations cultural body UNESCO has also expressed its displeasure. Hagia Sophia Monument is the most popular museum and tourist destination in Turkey. The monument attracted more than 3.7 million visitors last year.